In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a zap in Zapier. Renaming a zap is a straightforward process, and having clear, concise names for your zaps can significantly enhance your organization and efficiency when managing numerous automated tasks. Let's walk through this process step by step. To begin with, you need to access your Zapier account. So, go ahead and log into your Zapier dashboard. Once you're there, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Assets section on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice this option situated among various other options in the dashboard menu. Clicking on it will take you to a more detailed view where you can manage your various zaps. After entering the Assets section, the next step is to locate the specific zap you want to rename. Take a moment to carefully go through your list, especially if you've got many zaps, to identify the one in need of a name update. Clicking on this specific zap will open it up, allowing you to access more settings and options related to that particular automation. Once you have the zap open, look towards the right-hand side of its interface. You're searching for the three dots, typically known as the More Options menu. This menu is a common feature in many software applications, serving as a convenient spot to access additional functions related to your current task or view. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with several choices. Within this drop-down menu, you're going to see an option labeled Rename. Selecting this option will enable you to directly edit the name of your zap. Now, it's the perfect opportunity to type in a new name that reflects the function or purpose of this zap better. Keep in mind that a descriptive name will prove invaluable in the future, as it will help you quickly identify what each zap does without having to delve deeper into its specifics. Once you've typed in the new name, be sure to save your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check to confirm that the new name has been properly saved. This final step ensures that all your modifications are secured and reflected accurately in your Zapier account. And that's it. You have successfully renamed your zap in Zapier. Renaming zaps can help maintain order and streamline your workflow, especially as your number of automated processes grows. If you practice keeping your zaps well organized and clearly labeled, it becomes significantly easier to manage and modify them as your automation needs change. So, thank you for tuning in. Happy automating, and see you in the next tutorial.